this is it. I just switch it on, so start. These are inside already. You can hear the sound. This is the sound. Should I turn this thing off later? Guys, this is the new baby of the house. Bismillah, mashallah. I saw this thing online on Facebook Market where I was searching, but kind of it was big in the picture. I'm going to place it on the screen for you guys to see, but when I got there, subhanallah, it was small. Let me move back for you guys to see. Small one. You can see it's short. Anyway, because it's new, they said they just use it for 1 month. You can see, and the person moved to different country, or he moved back to his country, so everything is still new. That's why I paid for it. But it's small, but in a way it's like, it's nice, it's new. You can see everything still neat, new. You can see everything is brand new. Can you guys see? New. Everything is clean. You can see it's still clean. So this will be here. Okay. Oh, is it here or here? I don't know yet, but alhamdulillah. So this is the cable. Everything is still neat. Yeah. Okay, it's a little bit long. Yeah. So I'll just place it where it's supposed to be, which is in the bathroom. Yeah. Let's do that. Thankfully, it's what I can carry. Can you guys see? And this one, it will make my bathroom, it will make the space in the bathroom to be more bigger, because the one I had, which is the automatic one or automatic one, is bigger than this. So can you see? There is more space here. See what I'm talking about? So I can open my door more. There will be more space for the entrance to come into the bathroom. I'm happy. So yeah, comes, but the disadvantage now is the laundry basket. Yep, it's the laundry basket, which I normally put it on the washing machine, the automatic one. But I think I can still do that. It's flat, it can sit. Yeah, I think I can still do that. This is I think I'll remove this big one and use only the brown one, so it will be sitting pretty at this side. Anyway, let's try this washing machine. I want to try it and see. But I think this one is for water. It's for water. Yeah. Okay, I think it will be better here. It will be better here or here. I think this side for washing. Yeah, this is okay. I will remove it from there, like this one, where the water will come out from. Yeah, like this, down. Good, nice direction. Yeah, like this. And here we go here. I'll fix it here. Here for water. Right? It's not going in. No. Something like this, yeah. Yeah. Or can I use this one? Let me see. No, I don't know. It's not matching. It's not matching. I think. I don't know. But anyway, it's not hard. I can put water from here, from this, when I want to wash. Till I figure out what I'm going to use to connect with this map to this place. Yeah, but for now, I'll use the other thing. Okay, so stay here. Stay here, wait, stay here. Stay here. Yeah. I want to plug it. So I fixed that. Let's see. Okay, I have buckets. I can even use bucket to fetch water from this side. Or I can even use this. Okay, I can use this one. I'm raising inside first. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, it's coming out nicely. And that means it's setting rings. If it's on drain, let me show you guys. If it is set, if it's set here drain, the water will be coming out from here. Can you see the pipe or two? But I've put it on normal, so the water will stop coming out. So it will just, the water will just stay in there. You can see what I'm using. The water is hot. It is set to be cold. I'm having some powder soap now. Let's see how it goes. Because I was doing, my clothes were inside the old washing machine and it wasn't operating. It's just bringing out the water and all that stuff. So this clothes is wet. Hopefully it can wash. I don't know. I think it takes a lot of clothes. I don't think so. A lot of blacks. Let's see. Guys, let me see. It moves like this. Bismillah. Yalla. It's working, guys. Right. I remove this my brain down from it because it's very heavy. It's very heavy. So now it can rotate very well. So I think I'll leave it like this. Obviously, let me turn it again. I don't think so. But I think, I don't know. I'll manage.